Will these 5 gadgets revolutionize your life in 2025? Technology is evolving faster than ever, and with 2025 on the horizon, a wave of groundbreaking gadgets is set to transform the way we live. Imagine a world where convenience, connection, and innovation are embedded into your everyday routine. Are you ready to meet the future head-on? What if your daily routine could be smarter, faster, and more effortless? 2025 is shaping up to be a year where technology takes a leap forward, turning science fiction into reality. From health to communication, these gadgets could make your life almost unrecognizably better. Let's explore 5 future-forward inventions that might just change everything. The first major player on the 2025 gadget stage is smarter, sleeker, wearable health tech. Imagine a device that goes beyond counting steps and heart rate, measuring blood sugar, hydration, and even early signs of illness. These wearables will provide real-time insights into your health, allowing you to make informed lifestyle choices. Say goodbye to frequent doctor visits, as this tech puts preventive care in the palm of your hand, revolutionizing personal health management. Voice assistants are leveling up. By 2025, the next generation of AI-powered assistants won't just answer questions or set timers, they'll proactively manage day-to-day logistics. Imagine waking up to a device that sets your schedule, reschedules appointments, and preps dinner ideas based on your fridge's contents. These intelligent tools will feel like a personal concierge at your fingertips. Their intuitive nature will save time while keeping you organized, making multitasking easier than ever. Step aside, smartphones. Augmented reality glasses are here to redefine how we connect with the visual world. These lightweight, stylish gadgets will overlay digital information onto your surroundings, whether it's navigating with GPS or engaging in virtual work meetings. With AR glasses, you can experience immersive gaming, enhanced learning, and interactive shopping, all with a simple glance. By seamlessly blending the physical and digital realms, this tech could change how we interact with the world around us. Imagine a smart home assistant that understands your mood. Emotional AI integration into smart hubs will be a game changer in 2025, enabling devices to respond based on your tone of voice or expression. Feeling stressed? It could play calming music or dim the lights automatically. These advancements pave the way for smarter and more personalized home automation, transforming your living space into a sanctuary tailored to your emotions and needs. It's convenience with a human touch like never before. As the world shifts to sustainability, gadgets in 2025 will follow. Expect to see compact, eco-friendly energy devices like portable solar panels, energy-storing wearables, or home battery systems that maximize renewable power. These innovations will help consumers reduce their carbon footprint without compromising convenience. Such tech won't just be practical but also empowering. By giving individuals the tools to make greener choices, we'll collectively move toward a more sustainable future. These technologies are more than flashy inventions. They hold the potential to transform our routines, making them smarter, faster, and eco-conscious. The ripple effects will shape industries, redefine consumer habits, and change how we engage with the world. Adopting these trends could mean staying ahead of the curve and enjoying life-enhancing possibilities every day. The future is no longer a distant dream, it's almost here. As these gadgets hit the market, they'll inspire excitement and curiosity. But they'll also raise questions about accessibility, affordability, and how tech shapes our world for better or worse. The challenge? Staying informed and ready for what's next. The gadgets of 2025 are coming, promising to upgrade our lives in ways we can't yet imagine. Don't just stand on the sidelines, be a part of the change. Subscribe to our channel for more insights into the tech trends shaping tomorrow. Together, let's unlock the potential of the future today.